hand if you've ever downloaded a productivity tool, used it for 3 days, and then completely forgot about it. Or maybe you're using Microsoft Teams, Slack, Trello, but you're still drowning in sticky notes and email threads. Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm Ross Whitmore from Northern Technology Services in Petoskey, Michigan, and today we're diving into productivity tools you're probably using wrong, because sometimes the biggest productivity killer is, well, all those productivity tools. So the great app graveyard. Let's be honest. Most of us have a digital junk drawer full of apps we downloaded in a burst of optimism. There's the habit tracker you used for a week, the note app you forgot the password to, that to-do list app you used to download new to-do list app. Pro tips, if you can't remember what half your apps do, you're not alone. Most people use about 10% of the productivity tools, actual features. The other 90%, that's just digital clutter. The calendar chaos. Calendars, they're supposed to make life easier. But you've ever double booked yourself or missed a meeting because you got 3 different calendars? You know the struggle is real. The common mistakes. Using separate calendars for work, personal, your dog's vet appointments, and never syncing them. Accepting every meeting invite like you're collecting Pokemon cards. Setting reminders for everything, and then ignoring all the reminders. How do you fix it? You pick one calendar app. You stick with it. Sync your devices. Set reminders for things you actually need reminders for. And maybe say no to a meeting once in a while. Your calendar, your sanity, it's going to thank you. The to-do list trap. We all love a good to-do list app until we realize we're just moving unfinished tasks from one to the next like digital leftovers. Classic mistakes. Making your to-do list so long it needs its own zip code. Adding tasks you've already finished just so you could check them off. No judgment. That dopamine hit, it's real. Using 5 different lists in 5 different apps, so you're never really sure what's actually urgent. How do you fix it? Keep it simple. Pick one app. Limit your daily list to what you actually do. And yes, it's okay to add make to-do list to your to-do list if it helps you get started. Now, email. It's the original productivity tool and the original productivity killer. Your whole inbox looks like a game of whack-a-mole where every time you answer one email, 3 more pop up. You're not alone. Common mistakes. Treating your inbox as the to-do list. Spoiler alert, it's not. Using your inbox as a file storage system. I feel like we had another video about that. Marking everything as unread so you'll remember to answer later. Then forgetting anyway. How do you fix it? Set up folders or labels for important stuff. Use search instead of scrolling for hours. And try the 2-minute rule. If you can answer it in 2 minutes, do it now. If not, schedule time to deal with it. Your future self will thank you. Now, back on the collaboration tools. Slack, Teams, Zoom, Trello, Asana. Collaboration tools. They're supposed to make teamwork easier. But if you're getting pinged so often you can't remember what you are doing, you might be suffering from notification overload. Classic mistakes. Joining every channel, group, and team, even the ones about office plants. Never muting notifications, so your computer sounds like a casino slot machine. Using chat for everything, so important info gets buried under GIFs and memes. How do you fix it? Mute the channels you don't need. Set do not disturb times. Use threads or tasks for important info. And if something is truly urgent, pick up the phone. Yeah, people still do that sometimes. Now, cloud storage. It's amazing. Until you have 17 versions of the same file and no idea which one is actually finished. The common mistakes. Saving everything to your desktop, which is now a digital landfill. Never using folders, just trusting search and hope. Naming files, final, then file, final, v2, then final, 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 final. I think we had a video about that too. Hey, how to fix it. Pick a naming convention and stick with it. Use folders or projects, and every so often, do a file spring cleaning. If you can't tell what a file is by the name, future you won't either. And I'll link that video to this. So now, in closing, productivity tools. They're supposed to make life easier, not more complicated. If you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes, don't worry, you're in good company. The trick is to pick the tools that actually work for you. Learn a few key features, use them consistently. Less is more. And if you need help setting up your tools, decluttering your digital workspace, or just want to vent about notification overload, give us a call at Northern Technology Services, 844-959-5040, or visit ntsmanage.com. We can't promise to organize your sock drawer, but we can definitely help with your digital life. Now, stay tuned as we post more videos, and next time we'll tackle another tech topic with hopefully a little bit of humor and a lot of practical advice. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching our NTech tips. And hey, if you made it this far, go ahead and close out a couple of those tabs. You earned it. Have a great day.